Forecast.
Oh, those summer storms, they just keep coming, and we've got another week of more activity. Here's a look at Doppler radar the last couple of hours. I'm going to zoom in on our warning, and that is for Buckingham County, and that cell is moving off to the east at only 10 miles an hour. A lot of lightning with this, some heavy downpours. We're basically along and west of Route 20 now, and again, this is in the Mount Rush area. Katrine, Cam, headed toward Dillwyn. Points farther east include areas along that 15 corridor right now for the next 30 minutes or so until 6:45. Then we have again some showers. This was have some lightning earlier, but from Burtonsville out toward Uno into portions of Orange down toward Barbersville, some light rain there. And then watching this line here, which is strengthened a bit as it's moving just to the east of Elkton, basically along Skyline Drive. This is going to be working into western Greene and western Madison counties. Again, a little uptick there and some intensity, and you can see that would be headed towards Swift Run Gap, areas west of Standardsville, and again moving off to the east at about 10. And then we've got another cell that's to the east of Craigsville and out toward portions of, say, Arbor Hill and out toward Jolly View south of Stanton that head toward the Stewart's Draft area. So over the next several hours, we still have opportunities for more heavy rain, some isolated severe. Those are our main threats. The flash flood threat's going to remain with us not only today, but we could see this reissued other days this week because of the rain we've already received and the slow movement of these storms in this very humid air mass. We have dew points in the 70s. Again, any of these storms could ring out rainfall rates greater than 2 inches per hour. We do have, again, an outlooked area for damaging wind gusts. That's the main threat going for the next couple of hours. So this is Futurecast, which is the model's a simulation of the radar. It may not be exact, but it's just giving the idea that there's going to be more storms for the next few hours, at least till maybe 11 o'clock before things settle down. And again, any of those could pose a flood threat or isolated severe. Most of us now are in the lower 80s, made up to a high of 88 this afternoon. And again, very humid, so it felt like it was well in the 90s to around 100. Most of us will be in the low 70s tonight, some upper 60s north and west. And tomorrow temperatures are back in the mid to upper 80s. Going forward, aerial coverage each day is going to vary with regard to showers and thunderstorms. Best opportunity will be during the afternoon and evening. There we are tomorrow morning. Clouds will give way to some sunshine. We'll heat up. There'll be a few thunderstorms, but not everyone's going to see rain. But again, any of those could produce some heavy rain. And then Wednesday is much the same as well. We'll start in the 70s, afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but coverage each day will vary. The setup is basically fronts cannot make it through. So they basically stall out or wash out. There's no big push of a cool, dry air mass or a change of the air mass to allow these fronts to come through. Plus, it bumps up against this big ridge of high pressure, the extension of the Bermuda High offshore. Real quickly, the National Hurricane Center monitoring an area just east of the Florida Peninsula that looks to back west into the Gulf over the next couple of. So low 70s tonight, evening showers and storms will fade away. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Wish I had better news, but this pattern is relentless right now. There's nothing to really change the traffic jam in the atmosphere. So what you see is what you get. High humidity, warmth, heat, and afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms.
All right, Eric, thank you.